Yo dudes, what's going on, man? Welcome back. So today we're gonna do some routine maintenance here. Today we're gonna clean and lubricate the chain. Harley recommends to do this every 600 miles. So I'm at 700 miles, so I'm overdue for that. But this is the kit that we're gonna be using. The Motul road chain care kit comes with the chain cleaner here and the chain lube here. Also comes with this nice brush and comes with these sick gloves. But of course, the only reason why I bought it was because it came with a sticker. So the first thing we're gonna do is spray it down with chain clean to just get all this grit off. All right guys, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is take your chain clean and you're gonna wanna spray it very generously just to clean off all that gunk, all that trash. You know, don't be afraid about being generous with this can either. I mean, that's what it's for. There we go. And then second step, we're gonna wanna take the brush here that's included in this kit, and you're gonna wanna scrub away. Maybe do one section first. I'm gonna do a section from here to here. Just clean it up really good. Get those bristles in there, like so. Okay, move on to the next section. Stops there. Do this one. Scrub it up real nice. Maybe switch sides a bit, you know. There we go. Next section, bang. This chain isn't that dirty. I mean, the bike only has 700 miles on it. But you start maintaining the bike early, it'll last for a long time. Next section. Alright, the chain went around twice there, so what I like to do next is to spray it again with the chain clean, just to knock off all that debris and everything that you knock loose. Get all the dirt off. Okay, not too bad, right? And then you're gonna wanna get a disposable rag or an old t-shirt or whatever you're gonna be okay with throwing away. I have this old rag here. And what I like to do is, I like to grab the chain here and clean it up every section, just to dry it up a little bit and get the remaining dirt and grime off. So, like before, I'm gonna do it in sections. This. Look at that, all that crap, huh? Flip it around, maybe turn it inside out. All right, that's good enough, but also you want to take this time to clean the rear sprocket. Just clean out all the gunk and dirt from there that might have picked up as well. Take your time with this, you know. I always say if you take care of your vehicles, they'll take care of you. Maintain them just as you would maintain yourself.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
All right. You're gonna wanna take the chain lube and kind of like the same situation, except I do it from the back, but it doesn't matter. I mean, you could do it from here, this portion as well, but I like to keep it rolling while I spray instead of doing it per section. Show you guys what I mean. So you're gonna wanna take the can and just spray. So make sure you get those O-rings nice and lubed. A lot of people don't like to do it, but I think every 600 miles isn't that bad. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you think that there was something that I missed or could have done better. Please, we help each other here in these videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.